Good morning, scholars. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, you can't always express yourself using words and actions. So, drawing is another important form of communication. Today, I am going to tell you how can you make drawings online on your mobiles or computer. So, let's start.
Students, first of all, we have to go to the browser. Here we will type autodraw.com. Like this, you will see this screen. Autodraw.com website, it is used for making drawings online. In the school, you have learned about MS Paint, but today I am going to tell you about another type of website. It is autodraw.com, in which you will be learning how can you make drawings online. The children, those who are not good in making drawings, they can use it for making drawings. When you will open this website, you will watch in the left hand side these types of tools. This is called select tool. This is used for selection purpose. This is called auto draw tool. It is used for making the drawings automatically. This is draw tool. This is in the shape of pencil. This is used for making freehand drawings. Another tool is type tool. It is used when we want to add some text in our drawing. Then we will select this tool. Another one is fill tool. It is used for filling colors in the drawing. Next is shape tool. Here we will find different types of shapes. By selecting them, we can draw those shapes. Next is colors. As in MS Paint also, you are using color palette for selecting different colors. Here you can see different colors in it. You can select any from them. Next is zoom tool. When you want to increase or decrease the size of your drawing, you will be clicking on it. Next is undo. Suppose you have made some drawing wrong, any line you have drawn wrong, so you want to cancel that previous action. So for this purpose, you will be using undo. Next is delete. Once you have created any drawing, now you want to delete this. So for this, you will be clicking on delete button. So these are the tools which we will be using in the auto draw drawings. Firstly, I am taking page. So for this, there are three sizes. Whichever the size you want for your page, you select it like this as I have selected. After that, if you want to change the background color of this drawing area, so firstly you will go to colors. You will be selecting any of the color from it, then go to fill tool, select it, then bring the mouse pointer here and click on it. So like this, you can change the background of this drawing area. After that, if you want to type some text, select type tool. On the top you can see it will show you font styles. Whichever the font style you want, you can select any from them. After that you will be choosing font size. Maximum font size it is displaying 96. Whichever the font size you want, you will be selecting from here, as I have selected 36. After that I will bring my pointer here, and now I will type my text. Stay home, stay safe. So like this I can add the text in this area. If I want to resize it, I can resize with the help of these markers around it. Next is how can we make drawing automatically. I will click on auto draw. I will choose color from here. I have taken black color. Suppose I don't know how to make the drawing for the coronavirus. So here on the top, it will give me some suggestions, some relevant pictures which I have to select. Now I am going to select this one. This picture I am selecting. I will click on it. Look at the screen now. The picture which I have selected, it has appeared in the drawing area. So in this way, if I am not good in drawing, then also I have drawn it nicely with the help of this new tool. It is known as auto draw tool. So see how beneficial it is. So in this way, children, you can also make drawings yourself. That's all for today. Thank you so much.